Welcome to our guide on parrot keeping. Whether you're a seasoned bird enthusiast or a curious beginner, this video will provide essential insights into the care, challenges, and joys of living with these remarkable birds. From the vibrant macaws of the Amazon to the intelligent African greys, parrots have captivated humans for centuries with their beauty and intelligence. In this series, we will delve into the world of these fascinating creatures, equipping you with the knowledge to provide a loving home for your feathered companion. Parrots, an incredibly diverse group, boast over 350 species, each with unique characteristics. From the diminutive budgies that brighten our homes with their cheerful chatter to the majestic hyacinth macaws, renowned for their striking blue plumage. African greys are famed for their intelligence and can live over 50 years, while smaller cockatiels, known for their gentle nature, live 10 to 15 years. Understanding the needs of your chosen species is key to providing a happy, healthy life. Imagine the lush rainforests of the Amazon, the natural habitat of many parrot species. These birds, used to open skies, need ample space to thrive. A cramped cage can lead to stress and health issues. Enrichment is a necessity. Parrots need mental stimulation and opportunities to exercise their natural instincts. A parrot's diet is as diverse as the species themselves. In the wild, they feast on fruits, nuts, seeds, and even insects. Replicating this variety in captivity is key to their well-being. A diet of only seeds is like humans surviving on fast food. It lacks essential nutrients for a long, healthy life. Chapter 4: Feathered Health, Wellness and Care. Just as we visit the doctor for regular checkups, our avian companions also need attentive care to stay in a peak condition. Parrots are masters at masking illness, a survival tactic honed over millennia in the wild. Therefore, it's crucial to be vigilant, observing any subtle changes in their behavior or appearance indicating health issues. Chapter 5: The Language of Parrots' Behavior and Bonding. Parrots are highly social creatures, their lives a cacophony of calls, songs, and intricate body language. These vocalizations are not merely noise, they are a complex form of communication, expressing joy, alarm, or affection. Interpreting your parrot's unique language is crucial to building a strong and trusting bond. Chapter 6: Responsible Ownership, Legal and Ethical Considerations. Welcoming a parrot into your life is a serious decision. Research the legality of owning certain species in your region before acquiring a parrot. The illegal pet trade devastates wild parrot populations, contributing to their decline. Chapter 7: The Joys of Parrot Companionship, a rewarding bond. Few experiences in the animal kingdom rival the joy of bonding with a parrot. Their intelligence is remarkable, their capacity for learning and mimicry astounding. But it is their ability to form profound connections with humans that truly sets them apart. Chapter 8: The Parrot. Paradox, challenges and responsibilities. While parrot companionship is rewarding, it's crucial to recognize the challenges of caring for these complex creatures. Parrots are not domesticated like dogs or cats. Their instincts are deeply rooted in their wild ancestry. They require significant time, patience, and understanding. Outro: A feathered friend for life. Thank you for watching our guide on parrot keeping. We hope you found this information helpful. Owning a parrot requires dedication and love. These intelligent creatures thrive on interaction and mental stimulation. Their needs go beyond food, water, and a cage. Ready for the challenge? These birds bring immense joy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.